Hello you all, happy people, hope you guys doing great. Okay, I'm back with a new recipe, Moroccan chicken pumpkin stew. Hope you guys like it, stay tuned. Alright, let's get cooking. Couple of tablespoons of olive oil in a pot. Spread it evenly. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to saute the chicken with salt and pepper. A quick few minutes, and then we're going to take the chicken out, and then we're going to start cooking with the sauce. That's it. Place it nicely so that we saute the chicken thoroughly on all the sides. And just to let you know guys, I'm using chicken leg pieces. But the actual recipe, it is suggested that we use boneless chicken, but I like chicken on bone, so I'm just using leg pieces. Or you can use a diced chicken breast as well, that should be fine. Okay. Pepper. Season it nicely, and some salt as per the taste. That's it. And saute the chicken thoroughly. Should be done probably 3 to 4 minutes, and we should be good. Just keep turning the chicken. Nice and easy. Almost there. So it's just you're just adding some color to the chicken rather than just start cooking with the stew. Just a bit more and we should be good. Yeah, that's done. Gonna take them out. So as you can see, there's some oil oozed out from the chicken as well. The olive oil and the chicken oils, we're not gonna drain anything, and we're gonna use the same oil. We're starting with the sauce. It's going to give on or add on some additional flavor. Ginger and garlic, nicely grated. I'm not going to use paste. Give it a quick mix. So make sure the pot is nice and hot. Diced onions. I'm using a medium-sized white onion. The flavor is going to be sweet, savory, and it's going to be delicious, guys. Cayenne pepper. Turmeric, coriander powder, and cinnamon powder. This is the best tasty recipe I've ever seen, and I've experienced this a few years back, and it's really nice. I just remembered it, and I had some pumpkin, so started making it. As you can see, nice color. We're going to add the chicken in and give it a nice mix. The spices get coated onto the chicken. can see the color, guys. It's so amazing. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cover it and cook it for a few minutes. I'm just waiting for the spices to soak inside the chicken. Just add a bit of salt. Cover, cook it for a couple more minutes. That's it. And then we're going to add the pumpkin. Tomato chunks. You can either use tomato paste as well. A tablespoon of nice thick tomato paste. That should be fine, but I like the tomato chunks. And the best part is honey. Cinnamon and honey. It's gonna taste amazing, guys. It's not gonna taste very sweet, but it's got all the flavors. Sweet, spiciness. It's gonna be amazing. Give it a nice mix. And I'm adding chicken stock, couple of cups, 2 cups. Cover, simmer the heat, cook for 15 minutes, and then this should be ready to serve. Just make sure the chicken pieces and the pieces are sunken. If you need to add more, you can add, but should be fine. There you go. Nicely boiling. So what I did is I did some couscous. You can either serve this with white rice or jasmine rice, but I preferred it in a traditional way, couscous. Just gonna add some chopped cilantro or parsley, and that's it. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thank you, guys.